Welcome to Laundromat News Today. I'm your anchor, Jordan Berry, and I'm bringing news from around the industry right here today. And actually, we're very event heavy. I got a lot of events to announce today. And let's start off with one that's already taken place out in Florida, put on by the Distributor Laundry Owners Warehouse, that we're highlighting the new Dexter X series machine line. And apparently they had a great turnout. So awesome. And the reason I wanted to highlight that, even though it's already passed, is just in case you didn't know and you're out there, oftentimes distributors host trade shows or distributor shows in the local area, and you're welcome to go to them. They're free, and it's a great place to go meet other owners and to see what's going on in the industry and to meet your local distributors. So congrats to Laundry Owners Warehouse for a successful show. Speaking of trade shows, the biggest trade show in the industry is coming up in August. It's going to be in Orlando. That's the Clean Show, in case you don't know. It's going to be in Orlando, and I think August 16th, 17th. I think, yeah, August 16th or 17th. But check out Clean Show, and we've got links to this and everything else in the newsletter, so make sure you're subscribed over there. But yeah. It's it's August 23rd to 26th. That's what it is. So that's coming up. That's where the industry gets together. That's the biggest gathering point of our industry. It includes some other industries too, like industrial laundry, dry cleaner, stuff like that. But there's lots of sub events going on with those events. So stay tuned. I'm sure that if I catch wind of any of them, I will be announcing them here. And also, I'll just merge right into, we've got a lot of events going on online over the next few weeks at Laundromat Resource over here. So check out laundromatresource.com/events. We've got some Q&As going on and some live discussions about things like AI, like about how to accelerate your wealth building, which is not directly laundromat related. However, listen, one of the big goals of buying laundromats is to build your wealth. And we've got some things to help kind of supplement that we're going to talk about. And there's more, a lot more, some marketing stuff. There's other stuff kind of coming up. So a lot of cool stuff. So check out laundromatresource.com/events and make sure you get in on those. And one more thing I wanted to highlight, Eastern Funding is doing some laundry business workshops in Houston and Dallas on April 9th and 10th. So if you're in the Houston and or Dallas area and you want to attend those, check those out. Again, I'll have links in the email that goes out. So if you're not subscribed yet, head over to laundromatresource.com and get subscribed so you can get all of these links. Okay, that is it for events. A new study came out, and they have determined which state is the best state to own a laundromat in. So I thought that was really interesting. And it turns out that after all the research, they use various metrics and stuff. They determined that the best state to own a laundromat is Washington. Okay, that was not real. Any state is the best state to own a laundromat. Am I right? I am right. That's right. Just own a laundromat one way or another. Okay, last news story I just wanted to highlight. Out in Sydney, there was a major fire at a commercial laundry facility. It happened in the middle of the night a couple of days ago, which I'm not really sure in America if that was like 3 days ago or 4 days ago. I think it was like 4 days ago for us, 3 days ago for them. I don't know. Anyways, there was a major fire. I don't mean to joke, actually. It's not funny. It was a major fire. Nobody was injured, thankfully. But it did take 100 firefighters and 30 fire trucks to put this fire out in several hours. They ended up having to cut into the facility just to get in and put that fire out. So big deal. Just another reminder, fires are a hazard of our industry. We work with a lot of lint and a lot of, I don't want to call them dumb customers, but you know what I mean. A lot of people washing or trying to wash and dry a lot of stuff, sometimes not the best stuff, and can cause fire. So do what you can to prevent fires, and only you can prevent laundromat fires. So clean out those ducts if you haven't done that in a while for your dryers. Take off those face plates and clean out around the drums and stuff. All that lint builds up in there. I know some of you guys out there have never done that before or really haven't done it in a while. So it's time. This is your reminder. And condolences out to the owner or owners of this commercial laundry facility out there in Sydney. Hopefully you'll be back on your feet in no time. Okay, that is it for the news around the industry. Listen, if you've got events coming up, or if you have something cool going on that you want to announce to the industry, or you want to do a press release, or if you're just a laundromat owner, you've got something cool that you've been up to, send us an email. We want to hear about it. news@laundromatresource.com, because we want to feature you in future episodes of the news. We'll get you right on there. All right. All right. Great stuff. A lot of cool stuff happening. This industry is one of those things where you get out of it what you put into it. So we got events happening all over the place, online, in person, all around the country, abroad. Jump in, be a part of those things, and be a part of the industry. Meet people and connect. And we're like a quirky community, but we're a great community. Have a lot of fun too. All right, we'll see you next week. That is it for Laundromat News Today.